Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Turbo Dave here. I just got a Turbo Smart manual boost controller we need to put on. I don't know why. I got my Godspeed blow-up valve and I did not record me doing it for some ungodly reason, which is right here, which I need to most likely take apart and see what spring is in there, because it says it's supposed to be a 5-pound, which I don't think it is. Let me see. Let me get the keys to my car real quick. Take that apart super quick and see what spring is in there. I don't know. It feels so much easier. It comes with 2 springs, but one is hard, one is soft. It's the old wastegate. But I just can't see. I don't know. I just can't see this car making. You figure if it's making 5 pounds of boost, it should not lean out like it's leaning out. I mean, I had to postpone the tune. Let's see. It should be going this way. Okay, super easy. Let's see. Hopefully it goes the same way. Hopefully it doesn't break gaskets and stuff when you take it apart. But I definitely need to know what's going on with this spring. I mean, like I said, it felt so much easier, but compared to the other one. But I don't know if it came with 2 springs inside of it or not. So I need to check that real quick, because I didn't. I'm pretty sure it said it was supposed to come with like a 5, 8, and a 21, and it only came with whatever's in here, and then one more spring, which is inside the house. But that one felt, I don't know, pretty strong to me. So they're both short either way, but this one felt a lot stronger. Hopefully this thing doesn't just pop out and bust me in the eye. That'll hurt. Be pretty painful, I think. And now I don't have the piece of my turbo, and it's like so close to the alternator, so I'm gonna have to go into the intercooler and put a piece, plumb a little piece for the here we go, for the, oh boy, damn, it's so much easier than the other one though. God almighty, that's pretty cool. That's gotta be soft, fellas. I don't know. That is like so soft. Let me see the other one. I left it inside. Excuse me for running inside, in and out of my house. Just not prepared today. There's my son Silas watching YouTube. He loves YouTube.
I just hide the cat.
Alright, we'll be right back. Be a good boy. I'm going to be outside. Just be a good boy till I'm done, okay? Alright, I love you, buddy. I love you. I'll call you when I'm done. You can come outside with me, okay? Alright. I don't know, guys. I can't tell. I really can't. This is crazy. I've got a longer spring. I don't know. This has got to be the softest one right here. It's got to be. So, okay. So I already had the softest one, which is what? Got to be 5 pounds. Got to be. Yeah, this one's way stiffer. So, but this one, it's like, what is that goop in there, man? It's nasty. I don't like that too much. Let's see what we got here. Let me get a screwdriver out of my shed real quick. Let's see. Out of my toolbox, I mean. It is a windy day today, you guys. Bear with me, please. Sorry about the wind noise. Let me see what I have straight ahead. There we go. Just like to see what that is in there. And it's so much easier to take this one apart compared to the other one. My gosh, it's really nice. But I'm kind of impressed to take it apart and see dirt in here already. What is that about? Why is that not moving? Piece of hair? What the hell is that? Excuse me. Look at this dirt. Like, where did that come from? This thing's brand new. Probably not too good to have it in there, right? I just can't believe there's dirt in here. This thing's brand new. Piece of metal. What the hell? Excuse my language. My gosh. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. That is not too good. I mean, underneath looks super clean and everything. Everything looks great. But seeing a lot of debris up here. I don't know what's going on with that. I need to find something that I can get some kind of small rag and get this, which I don't have a small rag off the top of my head anywhere. Use this as just to wipe it up, that'd be fine. Part of the strap, I don't even use the strap anymore. One of my cases to carry tools around in, who cares? Just want to get that dirt out of there. Not impressed with this at all. You know, I know Godspeed's not the greatest, but I know it's pretty decent. $150, I thought. At least it'd be clean, you know? I definitely wanted a tile. There's a lot of metal shavings in here. Not too happy with that. I wanted a tile bad, but they were like $300-400. Can't afford that right now because I got the tune coming up. They want $7.95. Some guy I talked to up there said, just bring the computer and they'll put it in for that price, because I don't have any ability to tune. I have a laptop up, obviously, but I don't have any plugs or any tunes. I mean, I could download one, but I'm an hour away from the tuner, so I want to get up there safely. I'm not going to put the injectors in until we get there, and I'm going to partially hook this up, and then I don't want to hook it up. I want to leave it on wastegate to see what the guy thinks, how many pound spring this is, see what we get once he gets the air fuel under control. I do have the AEM inside, so, but once he gets the air fuel under control, we'll be right. It idles are like, it moves. It idles with like between 14.3 to 14.7. Sometimes it jumps in at 15. Once it warms up, it usually idles down to like 14.60 air fuel. It's pretty good. That's just crazy. I can't believe the dirt. Like, this is crazy. Unbelievable, man. Not too cool. Like that. Alright, good enough. That is clean at least. Like, this thing is definitely, this has got to be probably, they probably give it 8, a 10. This feels like a 10. A 5 and a 10. I mean, this one's so much, look, so much shorter compared to this. Yeah, this is definitely like a 10 or a 12. I don't know, but this has got to be the one right here. Look at that. Some rust on the spring too. Unbelievable, man. What is going on? Wow. Not too happy here. Look at that. Can you see that? A little bit of rust on there, guys? Not too cool. I put the gasket in. I did put red RTB on it to see if it'll it does, you know, I don't know if it's leaking, I can't tell, but I just want to make sure. Look at this, there's metal in there. You can see it. Why would there be metal in here? When it was machined, I guess. They didn't blow it out, obviously. This is just crazy, man. Okay. Rev 9, Godspeed. Let's see what we got here. Now hopefully this will just go down simply and not be a pain in the ass. Let's see. That is definitely so much easier than the other one. Oh my god. That's like amazing compared to the other one. This has got to be turned over here. Can't have it like that. Because I gotta have it right over here. Right next to that. Now let's get this down. Don't move. Okay, hopefully that'll stay in place so I can just run the turbo smart up, and it's gonna move, of course. It'll stay. Definitely a lot easier to work on than compared to the other one. So much easier to switch the springs. It's amazing. That is just, I like that a lot. Won't take you but a few minutes. You're at the track, you want to change the springs. Obviously not in this motor. I'm not going over 8 pounds with this motor. Let me ask anybody, if anybody knows out there, if you could leave it in the comments, does the V16Y8 intake fit on this with some modifications? This is the other motor, like I said, 300,000 miles on this one, but it ran, it was perfect. It just, I guess it was slightly leaking, like a gallon of water. I had thrown it every week. That's pretty much it. It just was blowing back up into the overflow, but barely. So okay, I got that good. Now we can get this can go back in here. Not too bad. We should take this. Fitting up there somewhere in case I need it. What I did was I put the old wastegate in the trunk in case we go up there, this one malfunctions. If anything happens, if something happens, I want to be prepared. I do not want to be turned around or get partially away the done and it's $800 and they're like, oh well, we can't finish the tune, but we still got to pay us. I don't want to hear that. I don't know anything about these people. Like I said, I'm new to the area. They're called, I don't know if anybody lives in the Daytona or Orlando area. It's called O-Star Tuning. It's in Orlando. If anybody has heard anything